Are you wondering how long it takes to fully charge up a battery for this type of mini drone? So when it comes to the battery charging, actually it's mega slow. So when you actually plug in, basically you have to actually keep it on the lead for a bit over 1 hour. Basically sometimes I see basically it takes maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes, so definitely it's very slow, and you can fully deplete even the battery in maybe like only 5 minutes. So again, that's not very cool. Also basically you simply have to leave it on till you see this like red light. So once it's fully charged, you can simply basically see that the red light isn't anymore on the like battery, and then we can remove, and then the battery is charged. Also, I highly suggest you to actually not to fly this drone before you actually fully charge the battery. If you fly it basically with a half empty battery, so the performance overall basically on the drone isn't very good. So if you fly it with a battery that's not fully charged, so again, make sure to actually charge it up, otherwise your controls won't be very good and you can even lose your drone lately. So again, be careful about that. So also, if you maybe want to basically get better experience, I simply suggest you to purchase like extra 1 or 2 batteries for this drone. By the way, if you're looking to get this drone, I can still highly suggest this drone, because the build quality, in my opinion, is absolutely excellent. Battery life also is fairly decent for this price. Like also, it's very easy to control, and really the best part about it is only the price of it. So you see it on AliExpress. If you follow the special links in the description, it will only cost you a bit over $10, and that also is with free shipping. So again, if you want to get the best price on this drone, so again, AliExpress probably is the cheapest price. So if you follow the special discount links, again, literally only over $10 a bit. So that's absolutely insane. Anyway, good luck.